Welcome everybody. Today I want to talk to you about some preservative that I use. Even though I've showed to you preservative that I used before, but I just want to do this video quick because of a question I get asked by my mentees. As you all know, I'm the founder of naturalskincareschool.com. That's a website where I teach my students how to make skincare product one formula at a time. I teach them how to make stable skincare product using my own stable formula. I've formulated well over 6,700 skincare product now and still counting. So that's why, you know, I teach my students from my experience. I also do formulate skincare product for indie brands, okay, natural brand. I opted out from formulating synthetic skincare product a long time ago. I just do not like it that much. So that being said, most of the preservatives I use are broad spectrum. You need a preservative that will be able to protect your product from yeast, from bacteria and mold. So that's why you need a broad spectrum preservative. Now, what broad spectrum do I use? I use Geogard ECT, okay, also called Preservative Eco, I think in the UK. I use liquid Germall Plus, okay. Now I just recently started using Optiphen Plus, okay. Optiphen Plus, even though it's not 100% natural, right? Most natural brands still use it, but what I noticed about this preservative is I want to call your attention to it. Sometimes if you are making an emulsion, or if you're making even shampoo or even any other product, this preservative oftentimes turn it watery. I wonder why is it doing that? I've done a lot of research. People have no clue. People just complain it's a bad preservative because it makes your product watery. I tried sometime at 1%, 1.50. At a point it will not destabilize your emulsion. It will take it depending on the emulsifier you're using, but most of the time this preservative will destabilize your emulsion. So mainly this preservative works well for water-based formulations like toner. If you are making face mask, or you know, mask product, or even what do you call it, body scrub, you can use this preservative in conjunction with another preservative. So you really have to you don't have to worry too much about it destabilizing anything. But for emulsion, this is not a preservative to use. From my own personal experience, this preservative can fail you at any moment without announcing. So keep in mind as you go formulating, be careful with Optiphen Plus. Even though it's powerful, very powerful emulsion, it has the tendency of destabilizing your emulsion, especially if you're using the high rate. The usage rate is between 0.75 to 1.5%. So sometimes if you use it at 1.5%, because it's so powerful, right, it can destabilize your emulsion. So keep that in mind going forward as you formulate. I just want to bring this to your attention. I don't want you to make a mistake that I made in the past. Also, Geogard ECT, ecocert approved for preservative, a very good preservative. If you have been to some online school, it's what they teach you. It still works well, no doubt about it. It's a good preservative for. But recently I relaxed using it, and if I have to use it, I use it in conjunction with liquid Germall Plus. Okay, so liquid Germall Plus is very good preservative. Over time it doesn't really fail me. This has not failed me yet also, but it's just that I'm just comfortable with using 0.5% of liquid Germall Plus, and it's going to make your product safe and stable, especially if you package it properly in a dark colored or amber bottle. So that's about it. If you have any question about preservative, let me know. This is a place to ask your question. I will do well to answer you within 24 hours, even less. If you want to learn more about making great and stable skincare products, head over to naturalskincareschool.com and sign up, become one of my mentees. Today I will mentor you to success. That's what I do well via my website, and that's what I do well too on this channel. So show me love by clicking the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching.